for me mamu nyina adom akwa abanfa mra Adom TV Nkwa Hia dwumade no eso ene ya memenda ye de nyame ase bebi odi ye na bedro no Ebeneza aseda ne ye de ma no meda ase se wage adwate u TV no animo na wo share Adom TV titru eye Nkwa Hia dwumade no na ene nso nkomo a ye de eba ne de hu hia mo bia ene ye hwe depression ema ekomu ba me pese me ma no betie ne mo e de aba me free sese wo yire ekọ depression mu o ka wo ha obi mu abede ne wahunu na kwan be na wo befa so a wo beboa no na ma no so de na me ekomu wo ha wo ne sei ni nyina no ye beyi ano e wo ha sabre ya ye de ebro e wo Adom TV Nkwa Hia so free sabre ko sise no ngoche e bebo ne mentena me de afia amankwa tamaklo ko Facebook a me da ho picture ne da ho sini emma yenti manya na ntwa no wo enti me da ho no nti wo de bibia wo pese wo tie oba efa depression ho no wo ko Facebook ayo ho na Instagram Adom TV so Facebook wo ko comment no ye be kan de amma fast dama St Thomas Eye Hospital ye do ma se won na boy chi do ma fe Coco Plus so enkora nya mfie abusumi nsie ko na e de ye do ma se na Endpoint Homeopathic Clinic for so ye do ma se page 1 salon gusu ye nsencheni wo mitire ho wo na asa yetire mo aha morina ayetire ne kama ye kwaje nkratso na ye ba ye bedi nkomo mesa mo akwa ba bie mra Adom TV Nkwa Hia dwumade no so meda se papa sabre bia no memenda nwumre se no nya da jetena se na ansakra na topic ne ye ba betena ha nwumre at work na kwa bonten no comment ne de na se ema oha wo ho bebre na enkwafo kra ebo ayi Cindy ofori apia kro mo bro na nkasa sada na monka mema ne de ye be kan no nso se ye ntimi ye be se betu afra ye be se ye bia nkonte ne ma no ne ye hwe wo mo ntima mo mmoro ye se bia ma nko ne ye be hwe mema no nso e de nti ne no mema no nso ntie na ye nhunu se ye yire no ye nua man mu bi e wo problem bi mu a yetumi ahwesi ano ama won Dr. Godwin Mr. Godwin Tamaklo meda se papa so waje bre na wo hwenyame enhira wo ne abusua no enyina Cindy ofori apia enumre mu ajo
ye nia
see baby
afia ni
bia woko de
nyame Adom
ho ye fenso
oh mrs ya
ene we sam me ho ya da se papa penne se de nkofo ya world person wo mute de depression ne tie de pa me kan later me ye video bi me ka se bia depression obi wo ho ya ware ena mo a wo depression ho obi wo ho awo obi wo ho adwuma obi wo ho school chese ni ma bebre yenhwe depression pa depression is a word na ye de ade
okay so ye kasa depression a impempi no a normal day weather me kasa ye tai e use ana ye tai eka obi wo se me depress any the word stress two no encomforta interchange ni mienu na ye wo stress ade eye ana ni meaning ene wo depression ye ka depression na say depression ye pese e kire say nipa o mood mini ha mesi aka mood usu ana say bia oni ye bi no asesa na asesa no asesa kofom kra na asesa etoaso ana atoaso asesa atoaso mekasa atoaso atene say bia obi ananka opesiriye otachia but prekope no wasesa twene ho afiri nipa ho ani ade na ene yes depression asa hwe mfa ne ho adonka bi hwe mfa ne ho ni ade aha but stress de ye nyina timi komu bi na te say etie kra me ma stress na wa be do aha so wa breathe no say I'm stressed you know ultimate recover but depression de it's whereby a collection of make I say mood and as a consistency of mood no say sadness it was so sad and a depression
only depression no yeah. I see there's a depression obi akom
obi atimi nipa nyina atimi ko depression but ye wo nipa bi mu ahodo bi a teacher na e ma omu komu a ana ya homete e ma nyina ko depression especially si ye bebu ye nsa ye nyina ye kom but ye wo bi mu de na afia mu de na no odin e say depression ya de be yabusua yare
okay
obroni be ka say hereditary nti say wabusua mu na wo bia ana se wunya bia usa nipa no call menses mu a oni ye ne usuban bia beda na di no different from me a eni me busua
na ye busua yare
I don't know.
They are sitting a mobile depressed. Wonam na bibi ato na ama.
Ye wo abusua bi a ese etimu ya adwemu ka yawe oho eye bibia ewo abusua mu nso oho nya abusua bia na omo etimu ka eniti na ye frɛ bibi the sane and insane ana me chade ametaka said the I and no ene da entamu na obi ni ye ni su no etimi ma no kɔ insane immediately to say broken heart ba be meja no ye yi na di wadwumam ni sikaira exams wan pass waye kese abroso as we disappointing ho abraboma obi onuma within couple of weeks months oy okay obi so sa asem na ato no a car for life amanipa no is now o seeking psychiatric help e wo hospital say into aso nipa bia.
Okay. Hey. But one way or the other no obia komu obia face depression
obia face emma titru na titru ye age bia emma ye dra ye face depression pa the puberty emma ye
bra ye du ye
bebu ye nsa on say be ma de ne Adam's apple ne ohun send the balls no emienu no obeka say pubic hair obia pubic hair emma no for ni ade sabre no puberty area no Emma go through stress more than a member.
I didn't see.
The entire sana say a genetic sana nyame aye makeup no inti Emma no din Emma to go through this. Inti titru ye nkole on barbecue exam simple. Emma no woman no. They are all going through stress, but Emma no almost stress level no. And I say almost depression level no ya it will go higher than a Emma no at this particular time. Inti stress depression they trust me. Emma yukum. And obi so de ne de ehya ne ho ade nyini. Yes. Obi de ne de ehya ne ho ade nyini. Emma as on Facebook obi you know atumo in Canada. I say hello to you atu. Meaning say atu hwe or the write up be by na empempi no se mekasa wo mo fidie so ne ade na me ye me research ansa na makasa na obeka bibia ya mpa emma nso nya depression pa
omunya omu elia se de
say ya target memma say emma nyina ye Samson or Bible mu just say emma nyina ho odin memma wa kukudro emma nsu bema na osinsuo mansa na wa hamu seden oho ase ye de etu bema bo
bema bi ye ma
ye the appellations ni nyina ma bema enti bema no in the society no the mindset is yakra ni se bema kase enti na bo social media na ye wo pane na bema dwane na wo su a da social media but ye wo ma bi nso so ha mo wo pane a almost yes sir but you feel say many problem but they also go through a lot and WHO ama ye hu say depression disability say you say disability na obi ka say bi obi a nani efra na so asi ana say ne nan aye ne ya oti wheelchair won't na nte why disabled depression is also termed as disability compared to obi o stroke ne cancer ne other conditions. Inti your ma be bro go through this but a man no mo nka omo de show ho ana afa enche no omo commit suicide Emma also tried to commit suicide Emma be brave me de ma 10 age na hanum say ya research share say ibenya mu 4 8 of them are going through depression but 4 of them are thinking of suicide
oboni timu
poso obey ne ho boni and the member 10 nso gina ha 8 of them are also going through 8 of them wants to commit suicide. I don't think I'm paying no one says suicide the bar member to me free na dance through. No we see Emma into me. Yeah, what that thought we have that idea, but we look for not the risky one. You know say you wo, but ye pay me fair drongo timu, and na me fair nkwa mu. Enti no bad time binyama ha na no a poison on ne ma hardly so be won say bad time. Atwitwa no ho ana say impempi no it comes through poison enti ma omo go through depression no say fear almost so have that suicidal tendencies no but ade ba ko no say ma no aya ye de kasa enti na wo adwuma ma ta kasa as my depressed o my stress so hardly will you say ma bi kasa wo adwuma ana say sorry ana efie mu mpo impempi na ye ma na your voice out quickly.
A man de as a basa yetime e kasa ana yetime nya gidie wo bi mu ni akoka ya sama so ba memma ne de omu
memma because of the society norms are yama almost them you're strong no enti say ya den ma no kra na yes a bit to say bema na yire free mu na yade da na yire na bema gina ho su na abusuan si bema nsu what you say but is grieving say ba sa na oba ni kuna free mu oba na nsu kra so ne kunu because at that particular time but if you are no so in form of grieving enti feel say this mema to show the world and I said the public said this is it but make us a depression if you are it's real a ma be brave
mamen kan or baby Facebook or okay comfort or say how I wish I could stop doing this harm to myself but I've tried all I could but to no avail. Maybe one day when God answer my prayer and give me a job I'll be free from it.
Wow.
That's what you say a juma.
Yes.
And one year no problem.
Nipa we are okasa me hu ni say okasa ma thousands of women.
Obi so crowd ne dey beto ase.
Okay. We here dey obi
kan ye no
publicly.
No ono so de ne dey e beto so ono so dey no ono so Oheneba Juliet. I say I'm having the same problem. May God answer our prayers.
Okay. One thing about depression edin eba ebi adwuma sem. Obi ho ma na onye adwuma obi nsusu nya but just ontine mu nche nti akoy se change of jobs e ma ne ha adwen e ma ne dwen se dia na wo ne hu nti na se onye adwuma enche na asesa eno se ye ade ba akwa ediba ade ba akon se ye aware a mema bebre don't even look out for marriage but emma into feel say baby I will do ni pempen so na ware maya it tends to be a stress na after be depression say aware eseba afi na awo emma bebre will not even think about that one so much compared to emma na on bedwin awo so the depression from emma side no it becomes so much it is all about no ofrebusia bi mu a depression e was ebusua ni mu dada na se we be ka ho ma na se nipa no na empempi no waye all de kakra e wa adwumam ana asori ana ekuo bi mu ne yes enti ubonso hu na ka so ye we da so mpenipa oyantiso enye obi na yantiso obi anim ne ho ene ba bia ofiri eba enti nipa ya o chiro sa o Facebook adwuma sem but adwuma no nya she believes it has to go away. The depression has to go. Obi depression because of ne kesi awaye. Minimum obi a so waye kesi pa. Enti I say wadi ne hu hwemo. E che se oba de e se senka enenka wonya sa ezi Coca-Cola and I say Coke mpa.
I don't know.
Sa shape no. Is it the hourglass, you know? E se wonya sa shape no. E se oba de wonya say, e se oba de wonya say. Ansa na yakase wo yo ba wudi mu
ana ne ehu se ohu ofe
ememe ehu se ohu ofe e se opanyi se enti standard a ono ankasa settlement ho no it makes you go through depression ana eba ne sa na wo nipa e haw obi se ne kase nyina ye nafu enti ontimi nsha jeans ontimi nsha we ontimi nsha straight dress
so be ye ama no problem no
dream na oni se afia mitimi hu ma bi a omo mu ye du omo kita omo afu afu no fo to just say no she bodycon dress na me hwe nipa na fu a I tell myself this is called bold why are you so bold to do this
on father society
beka ho that person feels for no
but okay
you we bi mu so a the fact is ni lower abdomen na fu ase kakra na pija kakra no a wo shatari a pija I had depression.
Obu no ho abonfia
onu no mu no say then it comes to skin color. Me na my kokko they start taking drugs or start extra they obi ye no ye bi no they are all stress and once then it tends become the depression one here now it goes through you can end up in the psychiatric unit enti ema no as I say you limit and near maybe ema yo ho enya sa na e ha adwen oba onyema o go through depression if you are serious
oba wonyem na wonyem na akra na em say anyema na ye depression
on issue kitane ho dada
ansa na osa go through
depression they tend to drink and just say won wo ba onom nsa pa te se onom apetesia adro no pen
woman be no atimota ni o plan ho
oba besia you see ye hu be ma wonom nsa ye beka se wato ensanten tan mu na ye be ma society feel say normal
oh
you are pardoned to do that we are okay but ye hu oba why yes questions come up like a dear ne beba one ebema oba obeye say e dia na beba ebema oba ebeti ne ho afini pem de nsa astarte won say wo ben na ne di nkomo eye adeketuwe bi woni pa na ne di nkomo say na senka sa de we die
enye betumi asolve
but one thing is saying start inkakra yes obi hwen obeka say menya bema obi send a message and I know she's watching I sent to Cindy to see I'm 37 be mama and I'm saying let's go back to 25 years be maybe about our issue ba ko so didi o de atene kan sen dede ba ko so on the nante a esen community abrebia na odi kan
no nyina wo so odwi we
on say as we listing here maybe or pick you can't get it all but 37 odu ye why depressed because of feel say o gain weight or feel say or ye the baby to maintain home o nyini be me biamba depression is now in to say be me biampo hunu kan no ne kasa I say asema kan adwene nam baby
ba ha na fi asa ha
ha adwen because emma ye ha edoso it is a sad depression e di animu a trust me ye nko ba bia we end up in the psychiatric unit ni ye gi ahwe enti na ye njai nyeme bi na yentimi focus nya saadi afia ebe ha adwen se oba me se onyimi ni de ye nsa opemfo
awo
obeso de ye cigarette no because we depressed
obeso so de onoma no bia no na ebe mana anya
anije obeso so de ye se obenum because why ye depressed and na onoma of feel okay obeso so de ende onyim no opese ontin hu free ni pem obi ko pode don pese nsuo beka yes antenatal no kra omba
ate
because why depressed into depression no eye so strong say
serious
eba unhu eba no kakra on realize no na abe so huge you as a person uye hwea afenye yi afenwo nsa na ba bia wonam no ye twe oba akira eye din afo feel say obia ayiwama
nanso na bia
ye wan kasa na o start ya na o yesa obi start o chia na o mfi afenye nyina say na ye mfi ni bio ye nyina kasa na afo etasi wa adwumam what you say sister nko sister but aden na fe de na say de eni nyina ye nyi anima no obia yi anima wa then you become an island na so obia enfiwa the depression gets more because I fear we hear nipa wo ho no
na obia nso
atwe ne ho afiri ho nti esese ye kosa wo hawo ni mu a eye din se obeka se odi wani ebeba wo ho so but I see sua na ye try enya sa be ha ye
Adom for depression the obia one way or the other no wafem pen but said the Cindy actually was see ano ha ya se see e kura kire se no matter the tie no na ya twe ho aban nipa kakra so ho e de ya nipa na betimi ene wadi nkomo na bia wo ha bia wo famu na timi atwa so no so say endpoint homeopathic clinic for ka ho ene de Nkwa Hia dwumade no ebro wo nti bibia eya apomuden mu nsem wo yare ne se de tie bia no kọ endpoint a obeboa wo atuase amawo ene yade aba yesegis ye build your immune system yi Mr. Oya akọ fi so mo de underlining caution ade na de yade ne ba no ho no mo hwe na mo atuase e de amawo obema wo prostate mu problem Mr. Oya akọ endpoint ho obanso infections aje ho aboso ana wo aye problem no endpoint is obeboa friend was 0244867068 0244867068 Coco Plus about time papa bi amon hweme Mr. Obano so why exclusive na wie no I drew 6 months ho no a aduane bia wo de ma ne bia no fa Coco Plus egum eka ho ma no eboa wo mo papa mo munyine yie kama from bia wo no madwene mu na wa wo de try hwe wa na abefre na wadi hu adanse Coco Plus eno na about time muhia se nkura na yede beguo mu aduane bia wo ya ma ne bia no ya fa coco plus ne bigum e kama ebo mo mu nyine yie pa St Thomas Eye Hospital for ye do mo ase ene obi antumi ntu kwan ko ba bia nti e bia na problem bia bo wani ho wani aha wo pe ba bia obekọ e St Thomas Eye Hospital e ho na me kam for the amount bo wura ho e ko hwe wani e ho nsem say operation kromba ne kama e the amount mata eko ene wo mo wo wo mo e boa yensa kwan no so fresh St Thomas e was 0540 125 450 0540 125 450 and 0246 758483 now ni St Thomas phone so akasan komono eye women and depression ma depression high adwene ehun komo na ye ma me ye nua ba ye sister Cindy apia ofori apia oya public health nurse nti bibia fa pomudin mu pa no de asie ho no woko to onimu ye pa si yesa mo akwa ba biem ye da sen komo no ye de sesi a mepese ye show on say obia ne bebi ofri ti wo de se bia ye adwuma mu hakora no obia de achimbi obia fri ni fie no waba no waba behia they said your kasa adwuma mu kro bi wo ho a all of a sudden na fe ni suben asese bi uhunu adekro so obi sa no better ni identify no better ni hu dan say okay ni nyina nso ye betwe ho afri no ho na afi bedu point bi ohia ye no afi no onya obi na afi de ohaw foforo bi nso se ba better na wahu se osomasi ana obentin ni suban ya ze say wada na de ne de ebe depression na bia ha no ti say na me handle ni ya enkofo ha obi ama yentem
okay ade ba ko ne say so ni obi wa adwuma mu a mu dimre bebre you spend more hours together na it depend on money ni me no mo nkita hodie teach we edra no pa enyina re adwuma ma how are you sichia
okay
obi ho no ma ogina if is a main officer ogina na watia obi a obi so chia obi awia no asan ba kibiko no asan ba da chia e ba ne sa na e ha adwen in this case no what happens is we try as much as possible say nipa no one no ekasa na wo hwe se de ebia ne ye ne o kasa how we see ye na quickly say nipa no the best advice about media ma won say approach nipa no obi hon ma wo mpo wo ben no kwa no twe ne ho ekwa akiri obi hon so a wo ben no kra wie na ebia one ne ka asem hia no no asem no ogbo atugu
ase hu hia ne bisa
obi anka mo call lunch boom anase bi anka oda aduane ma mu nyina anase mo pon kra mu nyina mo walk to the car park together ana bibi but wasesa onye fu eni hwe ne mreka kra na empempe ne basa bi sase ade wadu busumi ni mu ana anase bi anyinsa bi ne wo ho ana sente sa na se nipa no etwetwe ne ho a mesre mema ye nja sa nipa ni mu oho enti ye nhwe mo nkita hodie anase bi ampo wanya bibia eye sere ewo phone WhatsApp ana Facebook na o send ya nipa no said nipa no be responding anka begin no de manual eno nko ne nsam obetwero ewa ase anwo hu se nani age but se ana ne kasa mu nyina ye short
okay
short no yes ye nye ended what do you call it ended question it doesn't have to open say continue to say obi ushia na kasa etisen nyame adome na first nka ushia na etisen na kasa nyame adome na wonso it meaning say opese enkomo no ye to aso it is wode na chat anasem di nkomo mpo na nkomo no ye ntie hu
a ready
so hu say bia sa abre no nipa no e bia onye ready mane mre kakra na nipa na nkasa en recover ne ho but no a maximum for like 3-4 days na se still na open asim ti ben no na bi sanse die enti ene ma ne basa ena obi ho ma na didie mu esesa
okay
afi no ko depression ma on didi it was na afi o lose weight you will be o depression so atepa obi sa no so e keto oye eden de ben 50 diet oye Milwaukee diet and your diet in the hair. They won't see any American DVD natural just to shut you up.
No.
Obi co depression, yes, sir. Obi so the no co depression, or yet can see any aduane.
Obedi.
And yes, sir, or tears hobe brew. But odi in between hours, sir, to say, de ne sabe so bia no obedi onya na ni gie wo aduane mu enti hwese nipa no saa nkofo ne bi mutumi de omo de ye nsa onya na ni gie ewo nsam enti wo hwese nipa no ne lifestyle na asesa na wa hwe ade ba ko nso ye omo dressing esesa efia pe life efia pe makeup efia pe fe ba preko pe no akwa so no ampa na enadwo ene Monday ena waye nanim sei bibia aboko de ese wo check na wo hwe no no ampa na wa sha atade sei ese because we be a fashionista or dressing omo go through depression sometimes it show e wo mo ho obu ampa ne serious ese wo hwe ne serious yentia enti me so hu nipa no se de osini ne sitie na wa hwe na anye ne tifie nso afia ompepie first na ko betina nipa mu na mo di nkomo sisi akwado ompie se ye bi obi awa ne dan a munyina mo wo asa ba akoso a eni asa no kra ho maso compound house a man hwe ko 3-4 days na obi ahu no ofie ho o se ne dem ono onyare ono obi anya aka moti se radio kasa pa so se ne dem obi mpo radio no mpo onso
o se din no
se dem ho no sa ade onso so obi so ne curtains omie but one thing is that when you open your curtains anopa who allow the rays the vitamin D to come in our damn honum on the omie curtains no to ones who go through depression no they prefer a little bit of darkness in their life into abibia na o close curtains na o she esumnimu just to be alone into say the panonity say wo hwe onye na ware so na anity ahwe
ye beba ho ye ba ona questions bebra ba bi bisa say timi kum me bitimi ma BP na ye beba ho num nyina megitum se na usua de na fi na ekwe so no ya no me emfa ye ho namfo akeke ana anuanom maame ne papa no ma akeke ne mom e wo se ye hwe nipa no su no se be ya changes bi ba ene de si ekire ye mu no ne ye hu se we nya ya aside bi nipa no hu se oyare a fine but e bia na we nya yare ye nkwoje nkrato ye ba e beto aso memma mu nyina kwa ba biem samu Adom Adom TV Nkwa Hia dwumade no esomeda se papa na kanema mpani John eje konkofo nwumre papa mechiawo megitum se nyame adom mo ho ye papa meda senso se waje atum se Nkwa Hia de no na obehwe nyame hirawo na ene so meba boy ba ko ye ne birthday o chiame amu akon dakwa ne second born ene en birthday nti happy birthday so enkoma wo ena fe Fidaus edin kwa mi hu bo se Fidaus so se Fidaus ono so si o yare akra no mede ne beba no aboa ne agigi ska akohwe no ono so enye fistula na so since ye wo ni wabodai pasa ene wanya 18 years wabodai pasa since ye wo na bepem ne enye fistula na han but omo bo ni dimi refi mekọ me doctor back ho ma sa akwaji din na ba enti Fidaus happy birthday so enkoma na nyame nhira year by this time the another pan ye jaibo fise na ho ayo den ye da se papa na si me samu akwa babiem on Facebook adofo bi the question number BP no depression it me BP
ade ba ko ni say depression ebetumi anye BP pen ebetumi ama say me ka say odidie basa akra no ebetumi ama high cholesterol and I say ebetumi kra ama sugar or diabetes for your sugar level to go high depend on how I did the basa ni ade but ade ba ko ni say wonro bi ho no ma wono no mo a it can also cause depression enro bebre ahodoa yenum bi na you believe in counter medicine that is a drugstore so those ones no can also cause especially prescribing ma no can some of them can also cause depression and see necessarily say depression can cause BP. It can depend on how we panel because we be depression ba won't mean that into when to me and automatically according to say car adwuma engine at home na sa akoma no any adwen no both are not having a rest into a continuous something now with the body can break down you can develop BP out of that.
Now depression say you control and shame yet etimikum
pa say nipa na nkasa and go through with that to commit suicide avia ba ko ne say na nipa no underlining cause because the comorbidity right now they are very common. COVID has made it clear for everybody the comorbidity if underlining cause be ho no ma woni pa no be ha ho ubu no ulcer na okwa depression na ondidi a you can just imagine the betu ni pa no obi onso na or diabetes and also or hypertensive and I say or arthritis be and or lupus patient na depression ta fontimi fedro obi kwa HIV positive
na depression
yes with depression obi see a cancer with a long line in the treatment chemotherapy no do baby na depression abem afi no or stop say ontimi enko obi so kwa your kidney dialysis afi do baby
na adwendwen abeto
na depression aba etimi kunipa depend on unipa at that particular time situation any ade but some people can survive. I can say personally I have survived depression in so many ways because you go through maybe you feel say and can ka engineer but entumi engineer said me peno you tend to think say about saying now feel no stress will now bog down to depression. But the beautiful thing is any pe bia na say usua know yourself. That's one thing. So we need mo ho a utimi gather ho quickly to rearrange yourself. But say we need mo ho a and the depression ba it you na tough for ma it's difficult for you to get up. But say depression eba na opushu wa na tough for ma unni baby awoko wo wi ase ne ade a wo pa. You try to let it go and then you lift. But in any pain and in
it's me, yes, I do know. Me mama, Auntie Sarah, me da se se ne waje bre na o hwebie na me anso me boss ba akopɛ safua ompon ono so kolebu bench unit ene wo hwɛ yes wa hwɛ me de wan hwɛ sa me de tata o mu obi afɛ sɛ o kyɛ sɛ o hwɛ sa na no wa send me message nyame hira mo papa sɛ mo hwɛ na nyambo next week me de book bi beba pregnancy book and ne ye nwumre ya na me se ka say adwuma na ye no nkrofo hwɛ from afar and didn't afamani so ba me carry Eunice penimfo mo Legon nutrition department was a mature book about fefro any akra na ya wo no no hu book no mo de abrɛ me na me hira mo ye kra ma me kwa do awo ne ade but eno no ye be din hu later enti me dana se papa actually ye be din komo na afa no so o maba no maba be kyerɛ ye mu eye enti said o can see ye obi an said ye asam to no a or recover and time so ye niam ahodo bi a obi anyina so me say bia me wo me panyum to me panyum ti say bia bibi ma bre kra no ne ade sa na me nyanwum bi say na me am tutu bi sa no ma yo okay obi an ne de so ye niam ahodo bi a me sure say me nua ba bi ko ti say de ye kan ne de o problem pa ondo ohwe nyame anim se nyame ma na adwuma until se nyame ebe ma na adwuma no e de na obetumi aye na yi na free adwendwene nti ama utumi say young lady pans they say oya ewra 60 enzo nya 60 years so e de na ye nye
ade ba ko ne se ho afia say ye ka prevention of depression ayana eye din kakra e chere say nipa bia ne hawa aisa wo nipa bia ne hawa will go through with our war even we see as simple surgeons obstetricians gynecologists helping you also be one the omo ya hodo into bia ne hawa osie na de ba ko ne say no matter what I will go through depression no you need to come out quickly yes I would mu cha e be ha adwin na ade ba ko obetimi ayeye any nipa nkasa sisi anipa
obi a ujini di
now the question is when and ujini di
no ni asemi
ye kasa too much like this week meeting I'm in nurses be here I told them we talk too much and do nothing I said wunje obi and bi say and na sisi ye kan asem ni mpo na ni ye ho asinchen say ma me kan asem nche o ma me bi na
so na ye wo
I prefer it that way say kan ma me bi into a foot one moment be ma na fa come asa ma me no the thing is pe obi a wujini din na ni nipa ne nkasa another thing I can also say is say yentie enwom in fact enwom you see music that's everything
simple
me say wo to enwom if you wo to enwom I say oh this is nice like but I don't have the voice
uni banya we uni kra na utie kra you okay
obi hwe me say I was say no the way I sing this kind of
voice,
deep voice,
yeah.
you're supposed to sing.
Onka Obapa Christy shouldn't be woman.
So mine is the talking. I mean to me Antonio, but I'm like a youth choir. I just joined the choir to sing. Enti yempe enyuma ohun eboa. Enye enyumbia na go through stress, when you're going through depression, when you're going through any sad or event binenya ubiti. In fact, you're yasia. Me ke yasi che say me chifri Kumasi kakrenti ke yasia. Ye wonyumbi a ye bo a
wo ye de obesu.
Sebi ye yasia ye bonyum no emu no enna ho. Let's say body numpo na ho. Ensonyum na ye bo no.
Obesu.
E ma yesua more than say ka body ni ye dey. Eda ho. Enna obi yo ho no so kra otene ke ma wakọ adwuma. Enyum na ye bo no a o to bi no. Na amana kai na rehwa na wasua. You see, so you go through depression, you choose right songs. Na yambo. All my numbers can check my status. Like I've been using this one like Destiny's Child. I'm a survivor. You know, just to let people know I am a survivor. You know, no matter what, I'm a survivor. No matter what, you know, I can pick myself up. But the nyumbi shey muna enyum no ebre asia he ye beko for more. Obi say oni odo oni bema onware ntonti odo nyom. It doesn't happen like that. You need to. Na yen hwe edidie ye. Ye waduane bi nso aye die a and my ye more depressed.
Oh sir.
Oh yes. Ye waduane bi a wudi a it gives you that kind of energy. A typical example, you also the Nkwalako party as here. Now more musa adoko drinks here. Quickly no that energy it comes.
Yes.
Obi say odi wacha ana odi kokwa abaka se de dro bi agu preko pe no ha na dwi nyina ye ada but make I kolebu bush canteen tan yo kolebu no ye ma break ne kodi bush canteen ba teacher bi abeba after that period bi yente because you kodi so it depends and na nipa no so exercise. You need to exercise with COVID timing. Maybe I want to go gym and I say we are even ufi hona and I say po bedroom hono and then you kita Android and is it iOS and all that kind of phones, you know. Yet me at the app be to
Adom FM kra ye bi kra wo
no aso na wa ye utimi da wa won paso a won sori mpu na peja won na
me bom pa ye say de ye kan me tie for muntie
what you say
because no one solution no
it's form of exercise
enye wo koka wano aduro
and ade ba kon say when you are going through depression go to social media. You see, I was TikTok, a likey, any other. You were funny ones.
I could be on Facebook, Nana, your boy visa. Why don't so bad visa? I say you may.
Yeah, the one from Kumasi, right?
Obi on Toby, dear. Obi a baby, and be dear. What's it? I say. Another video. Oh, baby, I will be you, be no chamber. Come, what's an answer? It's
a elastic mean to me. I was so tired and so depressed. Me when I'm going to queen no say. I just have to laugh, you know. You try to see a share such videos. Ebema wasre. Okita phone na u data no who do the bear. You can go to YouTube and now we watch your local movies now. Yes, on your type no ebeba. Watch it, just take away. Yes, men go through depression and some action movie there. Because they're looking for a chip. That's how you get so tense. Watch movies and have fun. And then listen to me. Talk to people. In fact, and they do now a platform, social platform, secondary school, JHS, and then platform on Kasada. Hey. We are the day so no crown kasa and so dey be obehwe na wa kan ade ba so na extra go there, you know, just listen ultimate type bb bisa question Facebook on and for depression easy obi say that the question be to ho enti mo any way dey him yeah just be big keke, you know, let's do something and then right now COVID in the intimate you know message say COVID call away you can go out have fun sit somewhere and then just enjoy. Memo be for umpie. One kasa. Our phone so.
Oba ye beba ho na. Ye beba ho. na your friend is say Belinda Arthur one ya Nkwa Hia ye say ya wotwe ho story no edemaye ti Belinda so hwe nyame hira na me ame fasting so Assemblies of God o chena nyame ya Adom a Ring Road Assemblies of God e chena ye sha story ase ye no sa de ntumi mabi nti fasting me da se onso age bre na wo hwe nyame hira papa na fe Auntie Benedicta odru cerebral palsy YO disability nyame enshaw papa mo hwe de mo ya de se ben so ewo North Ridge Lyceum me da se wo hwe nti na me pese yemra question bi okay yemra yenhwe kwan ya obema oni wo fie ana me fa menya not waware kura but e bi obema one ne sister wo fie e bi a depression dey kwan be so na obema betimi aboa na ne yenhwe awarefo kwan be no betimi aboa na yire okọ depression because mema ne kura bi ka ho mama eye depressed more fi say wawo ma ne shape na sesa na fie de na wafu ati agwe the way obeka asam kwa na say obu abem ti mema no kwan be no mbefa so because oba bi o ho a o kan ye na no ontimi ma ho back ehyenimu na ewe no eno ono so na te dem ho enti bibi obehu bia no
am I to say a USB you know like memory card. You know, me I see a mema, yes. A mema are like just the normal normal SD card. A mema you can just delete it and stuff. But Emma, we are permanent. Uka bibi na anyo bad there. Any da it sticks forever. Oh, not on kasa just and I know a break here, some to pieces out a bit suiting me pan. The message say, you kuno ye nya mema ye papa no. Say who say obana sasa. Yen finding means to find out the DNT and amana sasa. Or baby, I will be saying say, is everything all right? And the word comes like yes. Please, the yes is yes. No, there is dots. Meaning say it's the whole pages after the yes. It's wunya abotra or bana beto no boachama. Inti yen pemre with them. And I see who say omumu da sasa. Yen titi omunya momu ye ufi no so. Ebia anka so butwitwi nchensim na wo ha gibwa no ebia abofra no ni sha ene ebia ohwe na wo de age no se ebia koda ana koya de wo ye mehwe na ade ba ko no se afia ye was single mothers that they are going through hell with depression
no correct
because or body career ho ban or sa hwe enkwala whether mienu or ba ko miensa and as any pakria pese o live the standard of what the society is looking for. So anyone one here no go to depression are affecting Kolani more than anybody. Inti ehia se mema no ebe support. Sana research nso me say awarefo moti na mo ye happy couple the percentage of oba no go into depression is less than 25%. Mema no put the depression on because our no ye happy. But so when there is no happiness Obani momu goes into depression more than the Bema. Now Bema no goes more or no momu commit suicide the Obama. Anything I won't say man Bema be one ma wo jaya wa any and check and a divorcee and so bemupe. Ubun say na there is always this kind of conflict and depression. Hagi into Bema no almost support it. Sana say man so who say me kuna sesa. The questions are answers are short be mean didi me okay and say quickly no who say edien ene ha no
asai say be abufo bi
o no no e say wo hu and na find out say asai ne all sorry and na all koba no ono ampa nkon Saturday we nkwa adwuma na na de ba ne sen try ne hwe sa na ye ne ye man so te ye ma ye man no so hu enkwala no so hu they can prompt you say mommy wonim say wo ko 1 2 zip no e bi kwa na ya are free because of depression obu no person be peer free them and kwala can go and pull you out be man timi to pull you out enti yen hwe na mema na ye besre omo support ma no na yen support omo no omo so an committee suicide enti one way you know you help each other
Alice Kopi wo of Kenya say no obisa say depression ni broken heart the same ana Alice Kopi of Kenya say
Alice, you see, it depends, you know, when you say breaking heart could be usike and I say you were expecting something and now baby you know, or baby normally when we say breaking heart people feel say your bani be man tem a good day na amana basa e bi ona nya say broken pana visa okonya no ya reject visa no aka the visa application and as a school open when it's a broken heart.
Yes, correct.
What you say? It be an school
relationship.
It's no relationship.
Now you said the same question. So more evidence so busa waha.
And to say a man is
busa difference between depression and broken hearts.
You see, the broken heart brings the depression. Broken heart is when something happened how you wanted it to know. And sister, in some explanation of what the broken heart is all about. And then a man is quickly you become sad. Enti umudi change it becomes sad. From sad now woman consistent not sadness not twice so more than 3-4 days 1 week. Now depression set in. Enti within the few hours today we expect you to be sad.
Okay.
Enti na say you reject visa I say we are very sorry. Uko intervene and for say we are very sorry. Uko pay school kwan on we are very sorry. Uko pay adwuma na yan for wa. Sorry to tell you say no matter how sad you get, you try your banyana wenya. So sorry, try another time. Ain't you expect to be worried, but me man to us so. In terms say a consistency there, then there is a problem. And I worry for no. Or bad statistics the whole come will be man. In terms of a nemua, me pacho find out why it's happening that way. Because depression to me
yes,
stopping their pleasure in everything. So find out the reason why I ever say.
Me don't for be so or the ato he ni obi say new kunu mpo de on fi mpo. Obeye din sa o musa hwe din yete dan mu sa je say e be say o pade na you na no so prepare wo no depression na say
me pacho a depression. One thing is say
now depression ache no nka say said you would
to man ntumi nkasa na me ka beginning no. But say moti na uma depression no me na me depressed. Na afia wa moame me enemy ankasa me build the wall me start with foundation and now kasa me ho am feel na afi ma start to wall la e be kakra no me de be san into so de me ye na wo so ye den wo bi into the best thing is say me nsua me but rather no e your how bi a me namu a me ankasa me de bibia cheche ma me ntimi mpie me sere obeboa me but e no na ye ntumi mie ya no nka no
e ma no ho kwan se say de wo kan e obi akobisa na sembi straight answers.
Mestre say, I get back say, or baby or shame, baby be or shame. So who say obi ni asasa? You don't quickly jump into ask, I don't know. I don't know why do. And I'm casa one for me. Don't do that.
Okay.
I saw be any accident, na all bleeding. Not nipa no that for me bleeding, na accident na no. At the scene. No be say nipa no say, I didn't buy. Na e ba say na ukukonya one de be ball. You don't do that.
Okay.
At that time nipa no casualty. And I'll go through that until we pretend to say, say, or go through that. Now, normal life, let's continue. And no, no, say our reform. Be man aye din and obana aye din no. Mundi mu normal nkomo. Hey, opa mani few. Keep talking to the person. Obe open up. Ada usha waba back to the normal way no. Now you ask the person say last 2 weeks. E dey na buy intina. Na wasisasa eno no ema nipa no na nigye bremu no otimi open up
okay
but say why moody na wo san be bisa no say what happen na eyeya empempi no bon say asem tu obi na obuewu na ye kochia ye nkoka say oh na me say say ye be se kafra de ye tie enti ne ba ma kafra
atwa so
ye mpenitent enye sa na ebri nipa no ko
na de ono no on feel. Oh, so you was that type of be a honma, no matter the obey own few, just or no pen obey the amount. It be a nemudi, our first him na making you an Adrian, and one no. I deans or ye deans, I dean for. Better no, because I a quiet person, tis any panel. Better one was all depression, more and answer saying, in Uber who how over handle nipe be to say. The Jiddy Sam will worry the most steady Mohaka. At least unim abra na niji awoye. Okay.
Obi no ho betimi aye din throughout. So at least I to say the heartbeat. You know, it goes up like that. In tebi edru baby awo ni jema say wuni pa no say
okay.
Papa e wasesa. Even so hye Nkwa Hia. Eno nko ne na ho keka. Anyhow anka ye di nkomo yi. Otie na ma commentary. But as ene die papa yi wa ye din. And also no anka wa ye din. Is it programming on pay? And now say anyway, another one about
yeah study your hope. Mama for question when me answer na me refi na ni din na odi ato ho no say cream pedofos neck intisem ofra krokere na o say obisa say nkran so go through depression ana Na bede wahu.
Yes. One thing about depression is normally it starts from puberty, as mekaye no. Oh, it depend on abayiwa chrono. Say from 12 years and I say 13 years. But almost depression what omebusunya mu no. A hereditary no. Normally it starts from 15 years to 30 years no. And no ubon say na eji ne ho. Ejina. It almost as our brain 15 years and so GHS, right? So our brain
more age, but bisa say
and I make sure ne pano. Say at this time no. Normally it starts from puberty. Puberty na from 11 12 years. What you say? Na e hono na e ma no yeah stress level no and as the depression level no eyi ni ho di. But obi a depression when the busua mu no free the age of 15 years. Got 30 to 35 a day di more. And I am no anti so they be an as a and no channel say akwala no genes no with the kind of this depression no ne no I started dead. It is hard to one show or do akwala na it sticks for good. Yeah,
correct. Your time na show yan kan samba ko nche ya hwefo.
Dey make a chi ahwefo nya ne say depression ekum mesre ema. So obe bia will go through depression bia Mr. seek help and nipa enkasa na yen support you because emma you nikita wiase si ye hwa COVID-19 emma na WHO yi omo so omo nhwe na omo fanya no toto akwan mu so na be ya next time BBC wiase abo ada na yenyi mmema na yeyi mma intimacy emma yes emma nyina se mesremo depression ye ka ho asem we can help emma so mun support na mo so mu wo how bia open up so that you can get help.
Yada say papa Cindy oforia piano no na yete no and can you raise say wabeboa ya kire women and depression me gitum say efri na ekure say wo kone ma bi mu sa ne ma yede ebe ya ebe ma ye nije ye nye no kese koka wano aduro nkoye bibi nse wo kra afi say unwu ya unim de ubenya fasedama St Thomas Eye Hospital yada o ma say papa 0540 125450 and our endpoint homeopathic clinic for yada o ma say ye yade obema odun so wote ya wo mu ana mu pa mienu ana oba wo infection ana yare bia wo friend point was 0244867068 obejo so page 1 salon meda se mu ye miti kama de ma me Coco Plus mo wo mo man mo ye exclusive ana wo de wa anya kra from 6 months ho kono de fa Coco Plus ni bigum ma no na oni kama medi afia mankwa atamaklo wa wo hwe me no medase nyankopon ehira papa Steve Thompson ene director no director ye na Thomas nso ejina camera na chi emame na fe sound nso Daniel ehye na Stella eye makeup no ede emame na Frank Asempa eye set enso ema ye do bibia se nyankopon ehira mo papa dasane se nyame amane nkwane ahoden ewo ho a ebehia